Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a knex knife. I will warn you, the blade is very small, so it's not really like a realistic blade. To me though, it still looks pretty awesome. First you're going to make one of these with those. No, not one. You're going to make two. And then the blade, the white piece right here. And then you'll need the handle. You just make two of these. And let's get building. One last shot. Now let's get building. Okay, so you're gonna get one of these, and don't worry you guys, it's not gonna be one handle like this. It's gonna be 3D. And you're gonna clip that on like that. I haven't clipped it on yet, but that's what it's gonna look like. I'll show you one more time. And then you just put it through there. So when you put that on, that's what it's gonna look like on the back, and this is what it's gonna look like in the front. And then you're just gonna do it again the same way with this one, and this has to be in the middle, so you have to like sandwich it, just squish it. Sorry guys, this might take a while. It is kind of hard at first to put it on. Sorry for the wait, guys. There we go. Got it. There. Now this is what it should look like. On that side, and then on this side. That's what it's gonna look like. And then when you fold it in, it's gonna look like that. And the reason why I put a green piece right there is so you can do this. When you're holding it, you get your middle finger and you push it in so it's like a button. See in there? Here, I'll get it in the sunlight. So you hold it like this. You always gotta hold it. You can hold it with your right hand or your left hand, but your hand has to align with it like this. And then you see these ridges. They're not really ridges, but I use them as ridges. You get your nail or just your finger, and you go like you flick your wrist back, but it doesn't work just like that. You have to pull this down at the same time. I'll show you guys what it looks like. That time it didn't work very well because we don't have the stoppers on there yet. That's what those are for. Okay, so now we're going to put on the stoppers. To put it through there, you have to take off one of the little things. And you're going to put it on the red pieces. You're going to put it through here. And this is what it should look like. But sometimes when you use it a lot, it loosens like this. It'll never actually fall out though. Like it'll loosen and it'll sway back and forth like that. And you just have to do this. You just have to like squish them. And the reason why I did that is so you can fit it in your pocket. And just so you know, this is not my original idea. Someone else did it. But I just modified it. Now we're going to do it on this side, in the front. But like I said, I'm not the one who built it. I actually got it from somebody else's. I got the handle and the knife idea from somebody else. And then I just modified the handle. And then I modified the blade, modified how it worked, and then I modified the stoppers. Almost done. There. Now this is what it should look like when you're all finished. And then like I said, I'll show you how to use the button part of it. And just so you know, if you have it like this, and you're trying to push the button, look what it's going to do. It's not going to really work that good. So, like right now, I almost made the mistake of doing that. So you have to flip it around, and then you press the button. Press the button, and then ridges. Grab the ridges with your pointer finger, and flick. Thank you for watching. Oh yeah, and one more thing. The reason why I made the blade so small is so I can fit in. See how it like barely pokes out right there? Because on the video he made it longer and it like was all the way out here. And I don't really like that about a knife. So I modified that. And then to go back, there's no button. You just yank it back and go like that far. and pushed it down to the thumb. Thanks for watching. Bye.